Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm V, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for always choosing to come back. So in this video, it's going to be purely intermittent fasting. It's called intermittent fasting 16/8. That's the one I've chosen. I've done my research, guys. I've done my research so well. I've decided that's the one that fits perfectly for me. So let's do this. Let me tell you the backstory. So now, guys, why did I add weight? Now, my eating habits, being comfortable, guys, being comfortable is a very, very bad thing. I don't know if this is my normal weight or what, but every now and then I'm in the office and my friend tells me, hey, let's go out to eat. I'm like, okay, let's go have coffee. I'm like, okay, let's go have hot chocolate. Yes, let's go. That thing has taught me a lesson. That thing, I went to a weighing scale and that thing went and I was so down. I couldn't believe my eyes. I couldn't believe what I was seeing. So normally I am 55.5 kgs. I don't know how much pounds those are, but I'm usually 55.5 kgs. And guys, so let's start the day by doing some water. So guys, I have finished what I was doing and it's now 15 minutes to 11 in the morning. I have tried my best. I haven't eaten anything. The last meal I had was yesterday at 12 and I didn't eat at all. I had water. I just had water and chamomile tea. So today in the morning I had at around 9 I had lemon water. So right now we are going to head out to the CBD, going to get some stuff for my friend, and hopefully when I get to her place we are going to eat at cafe. I just arrived here next to my friend's place, so I got her this medicine. The other one she sent wasn't there, and I forgot to buy her flowers because, you know, whenever I come to her place, I know she can afford buying herself, but I prefer buying it when I'm coming because the other side they are cheaper. So yeah, that is it. Let's get there, then we plan our lunch. So we are headed to Art Cafe to check some few things here and there. I'm pretty sure I'm going to buy something, but not something that is going to make me add weight. So let's go.
hiyo ni 51. 61. Umeona 61?
Sijui.
Hiyo ni 61 mama.
60.5.
Ipe 6.5.
Sitaki uende 61.
Ikae tu kwa 60
Rudi hapa.
Wapi?
55 hapa.
How do you do it?
I don't know. I'm back home, guys. I'm about to go in and take a shower. How can I be weighing 60 plus kgs? Good morning, guys. This is the next day. So yesterday I forgot to finish the video for you guys. It was late and I was like, you know what, let's just do it in the morning. So this is what I got from Art Cafe yesterday when you saw me. This is what I got. This one is a passion. I got a raspberry and I got blueberry. I'm going to be trying them. I don't know which one I like, so any of these that I like is what I'll be buying. So back to my intermittent fasting. Right now it's 20 minutes past 7 in the morning and I'm supposed to go to work, but before that we are going to drink water. I'm not doing it justice. Also, guys, yesterday you saw me measuring my weight because I wanted to see how much I weigh, and I weigh 60.5. Is it 5 or 1? Maybe that was 61, I don't know. So we are going to do that again today. I'm going to try my best to find some place where I can measure my weight because oh no.
Sending a list of categories to your end user. You can send it in form of a carousel and they're able to browse through and interact with those two messages, those rate cards. So in this case, we just grab.
Guys, I'm back home. And for some reason, I do not want to switch on the lights for proper, what is it called? So that for clearance, for clear vision. So guys, I'm back home. Today, I kept my word. I kept my word for once. I did not eat anything the whole morning. I only had, I drank water here in the morning. So I ate at around 1, guys. 1 is when I was getting out of the office to go eat. And I had green peas with brown chapati. It's not that I'm going the healthy way. I'm just going like one meal. It's not, yeah, it's like one meal a day. So I've just gotten back home a few minutes ago and I'm having kombucha. Not a lot of it because it's my first time trying kombucha. So I'm having this one here. It's passion. I'm having this one here. I think I like it. I think I really like it. Baobab oolong tea. Oolong. Now what is oolong tea? Okay, we trust our gut. So this is what I'm having right now. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, guys. This is day 4 since I started eating the way I eat. I have no idea what to call it, guys, but I think this is what is it called? Intermittent fasting, because I eat. Why am I explaining again? I already explained this. So let me tell you something, guys. Let me tell you something. I've realized that every night at 1, it's always like 1:06 or 1:07, I always wake up. I wake up and I stay awake for 1 hour, guys. 1 full hour. 1 full hour. Oh my goodness, you guys. And my stomach just goes oh my goodness. I hope this will come to pass, because oh no, it's not good. It's not good. It's not good at all. So we are headed out to work. Lunch today, as usual, will be at 1. I will just be taking the normal lunch, like no cutting like I'm doing veggies or what, just the normal lunch. So it will be at 1 or 12. So let's get out of the house. Guys, it's 12 minutes past 12. I'm not hungry, but I'm going outside to get something to eat. So